Want to add music to your Instagram notes? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram if needed. Now, open Instagram. Tap the DM icon in the top right corner to go to your messages. At the top, tap your note or add note. When the note editor opens, you'll see a music icon. Tap the music icon. Now you can search for a song, choose from trending music, or select recommended tracks. Tap the song you want. Next, choose the part of the song you want to include. Tap Done. Now tap Share. That's it. Your Instagram note will now display the song, and your followers can see what you're listening to. Optional, you can connect your Spotify account for a smoother music experience. If you ever want to remove the music, just delete the note and create a new one. And that's how you add music to Instagram notes. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips.